If you're looking for the latest AI tool that can really streamline your workflow and improve productivity, then you're in the right place. CoSupport AI just dropped, and it promises to be a game changer. Today, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about CoSupport AI, so you can make an informed decision if this is the tool for you. First things first, CoSupport AI is a highly versatile software that specializes in customer support automation, lead generation, and problem resolution. If you're in any sort of customer-facing role, whether it's in marketing, sales, or support, this software could be the one to take your efficiency to the next level. And the best part? You can try it completely free by clicking the link in the description below. One of the standout features of CoSupport AI is its ability to handle complex queries. Unlike many other AI tools that struggle with context or nuanced questions, CoSupport AI is built with advanced natural language processing (NLP) capabilities. This means it can understand and respond to customer inquiries with much more human-like accuracy. If you've ever struggled with chatbots that don't get the job done, CoSupport AI might be the solution you've been waiting for. The second thing you should know is that CoSupport AI offers seamless integration with major platforms like Slack, Zendesk, and Microsoft Teams. This integration is crucial for businesses that rely on these tools for communication and customer support. It doesn't require you to overhaul your existing systems, just plug and play. This flexibility is one of the key reasons CoSupport AI stands out as one of the best just-released AI software solutions. Another feature worth mentioning is CoSupport AI's ability to analyze and understand customer sentiment. It's not just responding to queries, it's interpreting them. This is a big deal because understanding how customers feel can directly influence how you respond, allowing for more empathetic and personalized interactions. This kind of emotional intelligence in AI is still a rare find, and CoSupport AI does it exceptionally well. CoSupport AI also comes with powerful analytics tools that provide actionable insights. You can track response times, customer satisfaction, and even areas where your support system may be lacking. This data can be used to optimize your team's performance or to identify patterns that help you predict and prevent future issues. If you've been struggling with understanding where your support team can improve, CoSupport AI's analytics will give you a solid foundation to build on. Now let's talk about scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, CoSupport AI can grow with you. It offers both enterprise-level features and a user-friendly interface that is accessible for small teams. The software doesn't require deep technical knowledge, which is a massive plus for businesses that don't have a dedicated IT department. The flexibility in scaling up or down as needed is something not all AI tools offer. One thing I appreciate about CoSupport AI is its customization options. You can tailor its responses and workflows to your specific needs. Whether you want it to prioritize certain tasks or tweak its conversational tone, CoSupport AI gives you full control over its performance. This level of customization ensures that it doesn't just blend into your existing operations, but rather enhances them. Lastly, let's talk about cost. While many AI tools can be expensive, CoSupport AI's pricing model is competitive, especially considering the features it offers. And again, you can try it completely free, so there's no risk in testing whether it's the right fit for your business. So, there you have it. CoSupport AI is an incredibly powerful tool that can take your customer support and business efficiency to new heights. I've tested thousands of AI software, and this one really stands out in terms of functionality and user experience. If you want to try CoSupport AI for free, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to check out my recommended AI tools. After trying thousands, you can be sure these are the best in the game for maximizing your business growth.